Right, so I've made that hologram tutorial and I said if you want to track it, you need Fusion. So here's my phone and we're scrolling through my videos right now on YouTube. And I'm going to teach you how to do this. Let's go.
Re-entry initiated.
All right, we're in Fusion. Yay! And we need to track the hologram. So for the sake of this video, I've named this the talking head and I've named this the hologram. And if you want to see it, you can click the 2 so it appears over here, or you can click the 1 so it appears over here. So let's select the media out, select 2. So here's our media out clip. The first thing that you want to do is you want to add a tracker. So let's hit Shift Spacebar and let's search for tracker. We've got 3 options: the camera tracker, the planar tracker, and a regular tracker. Now the camera tracker is a 3D tracker for the 3D space. A planar tracker, we're not going to use this, but you can use this with a green screen that has some tracking things on them. So we're just going to use the regular tracker. Let's click add, and now you see that it appears between these 2. If it didn't, for some reason, maybe it just ended up over here, just hold shift and then drag it between these lines and it appears between the talking head and the merge node. So I want to see the talking head because that's what I'm going to track before we're going to merge it and we're going to create a media out. So let's select the tracker and you see this box, and this box is the middle one is what it's going to track and the outer one is the area that is going to search for the tracking point. Now if you watch closely, you see that this hologram is actually on top of my phone and I want to track my phone. So in order for us to address that, we can just create a transform node in between, and I'm just going to drag this out to the side a little bit. Now, if you want to learn how to create this hologram, please click the video at the end of this video because that's where I will explain to you how to create that. So let's go back to the tracker one because right now it's not in front of the phone anymore. And I'm just going to go to the frame where the hologram is starting to appear. So that's frame 156. I'm going to drag the tracker on top of my phone. And then we've got 2 options. You can see the tracker point over here as well. We've got the option to just track forward from current time. And that's what we want to do. And we've got track forward, which will track it throughout the entire clip. But my phone doesn't appear throughout the entire clip. So I'm just going to make sure that we're going to use this one. It will probably end somewhere around track 305. So I need to make sure that I keep an eye on this and then stop the tracking just on time. So let's click this one. And then when we are nearing 300, I'm going to stop the tracking. You see that this is the tracking that Fusion has created for us. But before we can play this back, let me tell you that you need to select the tracker again, go to operation and then change the operation from none to match move, because that will turn it into a merge node. And because it does so, you can just grab this one and then move it in here. And that will make sure that the hologram is on top of the talking head, and you will see how that looks. So let's go to the edit tab and let me play this in full for you. There you go. So here you see that the hologram is being tracked. You see it moving while my phone is moving. There you go. And that was the end of it. And that's it for this week. So if you want to learn how to create a hologram, please click that video over there. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can do so by clicking that button down there. And for this week, there's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. And until next time, doei!